Okay, so the iPhone SE 3 was just announced and it's a really important phone. Here's why. So the iPhone SE 3 really focuses on what is important in a smartphone nowadays. It gives you the bare minimum, so people who don't want to switch to a modern designed iPhone but still want the new features, 5G, the MagSafe connectivity, the ceramic shield glass which debuted on the iPhone 12 series, and just in general just nifty little features here and there, an upgraded processor, upgraded camera features because of that processor, and things like that. Yeah, there's a time and a place for that phone. There's a person who that phone is for, and that is why this phone is so critical. It's for the people that don't want to spend a huge amount of money, 500 quid around that for a phone, and they just are upgrading from their old iPhone 6, which is biting dust. That's who this phone is for, and it's really important because of that. It's not a huge upgrade, it's not for the tech enthusiasts, it's not for you if you're watching this video probably. And with that, thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, like button, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next one. Goodbye.